Some tractors are still out there working fields, clearing snow, and hauling firewood 20 years later, and their owners will tell you they've barely touched a wrench. 20 years, and still earning their keep. Those are the tractors we're counting down today, 10 compact tractors built to buy once and drive forever, from John Deere, Kubota, Kioti, New Holland, Massey Ferguson, Yanmar, LS, Mahindra, TYM, and Bobcat. These are the machines with reputations for outlasting everything around them, the kind a hobby farmer or small acreage owner can lean on for decades. Now let's be honest for 1 second. No tractor is truly unbreakable. Anybody who tells you different is selling something, but there's a reason certain machines keep running strong at 3,000 and 4,000 hours, while others die in a barn. It comes down to simple, proven engineering, strong parts and dealer support, and durability that shows up over the long haul. Anyone can tell you a tractor is reliable when it's brand new. We care what happens after 20 years. So, if you want a tractor you buy once and never think about again, this list is for you. I'm counting these down from 10 to number 1, saving the safest buy once, drive forever tractor in America for last. Subscribe before we start. This channel is all about helping you buy smart and buy once. Let's start at number 10. Number 10. The Bobcat CT4045. And I'll be straight with you. This is the newest, least proven machine on the whole list. So why does it make the cut? Because it's the heavy-duty, modern option for the buyer who wants brand new iron built to last. This is a serious compact. 44.9 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, a 3-range hydrostatic transmission, a 2,716-pound 3-point lift, a 1,795-pound loader lift, and wet multi-disc brakes that basically never wear out. That's a lot of tractor, and Bobcat built it stout. For a small farm with real work, moving dirt and gravel, heavy loader chores, running bigger implements, mowing pasture, brush, and property maintenance, the CT4045 has the muscle to keep going for the long haul. Bobcat's a name people already trust on job sites, and that heavy equipment DNA carries straight into these tractors. Those wet multi-disc brakes are a perfect example of why it earns a spot. They run sealed in oil, not exposed to dirt and water, so they simply don't wear out like old drum brakes. That's the kind of design that separates a tractor built to last from one built to a price. Proof that buy once, drive forever isn't just an old tractor idea. Number 9. The TYM T474. The newcomer you shouldn't underestimate. A lot of folks have never heard of TYM, but here's what turns heads. The T474 packs 48.3 horsepower and a 4-cylinder diesel with nearly 2,700 pounds of hitch lift. That's a lot of tractor for its size, and that 4-cylinder engine is smoother and stronger than the little 3 cylinders in most of this class. This is the tractor for someone who needs to do more than mow grass. If you've got 10 to 50 acres, livestock, heavier brush, driveway work, or bigger implements, the T474 handles it without breaking a sweat. And that matters for longevity. A tractor that isn't straining lasts, where a smaller machine would be maxed out and overheating. This one just shrugs and keeps going. That's the point of including it. The compact market has changed. You don't have to buy Deere or Kubota to get serious capability that runs for years. Because the T474 has so much capability in reserve, it's rarely working at its limit. And a tractor that loafs through its jobs runs cooler and lasts far longer. Over-engineered is what you want. Number 8. The Mahindra 1626. And here's the one word that defines it: weight. Mahindra's compacts built their whole reputation on heavy construction, and the 1626 is built like a little tank. Here's a lesson every experienced owner learns: more weight beats more horsepower. That extra heft gives you stability, traction, and loader capacity, plus far better control of your implements. That makes the 1626 genuinely capable for the heavy stuff, loader work and moving dirt, hauling firewood, grading, and rough property maintenance. Owners of this heavy platform rave about how much real work it handles. Driveway building, digging, mowing, that would overwhelm a lighter machine. Heavy iron also tends to be simple, tough iron. Fewer delicate parts, more brute durability. The heavier frame means the loader and 3-point shrug-off jobs that would fatigue a lighter tractor over time. A machine built to take abuse year after year. If you're finding this countdown useful so far, do me a quick favor and hit subscribe. I put out honest tractor breakdowns every week, and we've still got the proven heavy hitters to come, including a couple you'd never expect. Number 7. The LSMT 225E and MT225HE. This is your value pick, and it earns its place. LS doesn't have the name recognition of Deere or Kubota, and that's exactly why it belongs here. The point isn't LS is better than John Deere. The point is you get real capability without the badge price. Around 25 horsepower, a hydrostatic transmission, straightforward design, and a lot of tractor for the money. And for a hobby farmer, that value is a real advantage. The money you save on the badge, you spend on the tools that actually do the work: a loader, cutter, grapple, a tiller, a trailer. You end up with a complete working setup instead of just an expensive tractor sitting there. Simple design is also reliable design. Fewer complications means fewer things to break. LS has quietly become a major US player precisely because these machines just work, and they back them with a strong warranty and a growing dealer network. Buy once, spend the savings on tools, drive forever. Number 6. The Yanmar SA324 and SA424. And somebody was already about to type, "Where's Yanmar?" So here it is, and it absolutely deserves the spot. Here's what most people don't realize. Yanmar is a true diesel expert. The SA324 is a 23.9 horsepower subcompact with a 1.3-liter 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel, 4-wheel drive, hydrostatic transmission, and wet disc brakes. But the bigger story is the pedigree. Yanmar has powered John Deere compacts for decades. Buy a Yanmar, and you're buying the engine expertise the big names rely on. That's why this is the brand Americans overlook and shouldn't. These are compact, efficient, superbly built machines, perfect for mowing, loader work, and tilling, while sipping fuel for years. These little Yanmars are also famously fuel efficient and mechanically simple, so the things that can go wrong are few. A bulletproof hydrostatic and that legendary diesel add up to a machine you maintain, not repair. When your engine comes from the company that perfected compact diesels, reliability isn't a gamble. Number 5. The Massey Ferguson 1526. On paper, it's a 24.8 horsepower compact, but the numbers that matter are the 2,077 pound weight and 852 pound loader lift. That's a substantial planted machine for its class, and it teaches the same lesson as the Mahindra. You don't need 50 horsepower to get real work done. That weight gives a small farmer everything that counts: stability, traction, and loader muscle, and better control of every implement. The 1526 has enough size to feel like a real tractor, not a glorified lawnmower. Backed by the Massey name, a solid dealer network, and a diesel built for thousands of hours. For mowing, loader work, grading, snow, and light tillage, this is a tough, dependable machine that keeps working long after the shine wears off. The kind you'll hand down in 20 years because there's simply not much on it to wear out. Number 4. The new Holland Workmaster 25S. The whole Workmaster philosophy is refreshingly simple. A practical, capable machine, not a technology showcase. Around 25 horsepower, straightforward controls, nothing fancy to fail, just an honest tractor that shows up and works. And that simplicity is exactly why it lands on a never breakdown list. Fewer gadgets, fewer failures. The Workmaster handles everything a small property throws at it: acreage maintenance, mowing, loader work, snow, light tillage, and hauling, without drama. Then there's the New Holland name, and this matters more than people think. Dealer support. For a tractor you'll keep 15 years, a real dealer network behind you. For parts, service, and backup, can matter almost as much as the tractor itself. Simple to run, simple to fix, and backed by a dealer down the road. Number 3. The Kioti CK35. And here's where it gets interesting because this one isn't new anymore, and that's the point. The CK35 is a roughly 34 horsepower compact with a 3-cylinder diesel in hydrostatic or gear drive on a platform from the mid-2000s. So why rank a 15 to 20-year-old tractor this high? Because that's the ultimate proof. A brand new tractor being reliable tells you nothing. A 2007 CK35 still working hard tells you everything. And owners are still running these and praising them. This is one of the best arguments for buying used. A proven CK35 gives you real capability, loader work, mowing, grading, tilling, at a fraction of new tractor money on a platform that's already shown it goes the distance. With 34 horsepower and heavier build than most subcompacts, it pulls bigger implements and lifts heavier loads than the little 25-horse machines. It has quite literally driven forever, and it's still going. That's the buy once, drive forever idea in its purest form. Exactly the proven workhorse this whole list is built around. That's the top 3 in sight. If this is helping you think about your next tractor, take a second to subscribe. It genuinely helps. And the top 2 are the safest compact buys in America. Number 2. The Kubota L 2501 and L 2502. One of the safest long-term choices you can make. If the Deere at number 1 represents dealer support, the Kubota L series represents simplicity and proven engineering. It sits right around 25 horsepower, a genuinely straightforward, no-frills compact. And I'm using the L 2501 and L 2502 on purpose, because these are the ones that have proven themselves in the real world. Here's the best line on it. This tractor isn't a spaceship. No wall of electronic gadgets, no complexity for its own sake. Just a rugged, dependable Kubota that gets the job done. Owners call the L series a straight-up workhorse, and they praise the simplicity and reliability. It does everything a small farm needs: mowing, loader work, grading, snow, food plots, pulling implements, general homestead work, with little more than routine maintenance. Because it's so common and simple, parts are everywhere, and any diesel mechanic can work on it. Kubota resale is famously strong too. You don't need 50 gadgets to get work done. Number 1. The John Deere 1025R, the safest hobby farm buy on this entire list, and the definition of buy once, drive forever. Start with the machine. A subcompact with a proven Yanmar diesel, compact enough for smaller properties, available in loader, mower, and backhoe setups, with a huge selection of implements. It's not experimental. It's a proven platform with thousands of them working across America right now. But here's the real reason. It's number 1. You're not buying it because it's cheapest. You're buying it because there are so many out there that support is never going anywhere. The biggest dealer and parts network in the country, filters on a shelf the day you need them, and excellent resale value if you ever sell. For a tractor you'll keep 15 or 20 years, that support blanket is worth gold. It's what actually keeps a machine running forever. Reliable engine, endless parts, unbeatable support, strong resale, a decade-proven platform. That's the safest choice for the American hobby farmer. If you take one name away, take this one. Buy once, drive forever. So there's your countdown. 10 compact tractors with reputations for lasting decades when they're properly maintained. And look at what the best of them share: simple, proven engineering, real weight and build quality, strong dealer and parts support, and a track record that shows up over the long haul. That's the whole secret to buying once and driving forever. Match the tractor to your land, keep up the basic maintenance, and any machine on this list will outwork and outlast far more expensive equipment for decades. Tell me in the comments which one you'd buy, or which proven old workhorse I should have included, and subscribe for more honest tractor breakdowns. Buy once, drive forever. See you in the next one.